Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and a new video. This is just an update video letting you know what's going on. The other day I had to get Lucy out of the garage because she was having a new garage roof fitted. So she was sat outside overnight, which I wasn't really happy about because it was raining, but needs must and all that. So I had to put all the stuff from the garage in the back of the car so the garage was nice and empty. While I was doing it, I was going to do valve clearances and film it. My mate came over and had a look at my headlights, and the only issue was to stop them from working. There was two wires that weren't connected, which he had some connectors and sorted that out. And then when we had a look, they weren't very bright, so we put a wire to ground and they lit up, so it was a bad earth. So all that time it was just a case of putting a connector on, sorting out the earth, and that was it. So now they're working. And while he was there, I said, I'm just about to do valve clearances. So he said, oh, I'll do that. And said, do you mind if I film? And he wasn't really happy about being on camera. So unfortunately, there wasn't a video for that. But he's done the valve clearances. And she's running literally like a little sewing machine now. Starts even better than she did before, even though she did start first time. So unfortunately, that's why there wasn't a video. There is a car show, Newton Abbot again, Trago. Not this Sunday, next Sunday, 27th, I think it is. So we're going to that, so there will be a video for that. And yeah, just thought I'd give you a little update. Oh, also in the pipeline, I want to do a Q&A video, so anybody can ask me anything they like about Lucy, how I got her, etc, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin a comment in this video, and then what I want you to do is any questions you want to ask, you can ask as many questions as you like. It doesn't just have to be one question. You can ask whatever you like, how many ever you like. I'll take a note of your YouTube name and the question, and then I'll read those out in a video. I'll probably give it, like, say 2 weeks, just give you a chance to think of questions and that. Then I'll do a video, which will be the one after the Newton Abbot show. So get thinking of some questions. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the channel if you like my videos. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's VKT193J. If you want to follow me on Facebook, Lucy has her own page, which is Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner. Send an invite over on that and I'll accept that. And obviously my YouTube channel, obviously the same name, Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner. If you like what you see on the videos, just give me a subscribe. That would really help me out. I've also got a merch store, which I'll leave a link in the description as well. So if you want to go out and check out the merch, I would appreciate that. And yeah, that's it. So hope you have a nice rest of your weekend, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.